The next components we're gonna look at is the wireless card. So wireless card is the card that you will need to use in case your motherboard doesn't have a internal wireless card, like a chip on the motherboard. Because without the internal wireless card, you can't use Wi-Fi, those stuff, or Bluetooth. So an external wireless card is necessary. For this motherboard, actually it has an internal wireless card, which is your chip on board. But the thing is that I forgot it has when I purchased it. It's Asus X570 motherboard. It already have a wireless card, but we just look at how to replug and plug in this external wireless card. So if you want to unplug, the first thing you have to do is unscrew this screw. Yeah. So it's a little bit hard. Yeah, you have to lift up. Yeah. The next thing is, now the wireless card is loosened. You can simply just straight pulling it up. No, I forgot to take off this one because you can see here it is closed. I have to lift up this metal plate first. So I have to get the graphic card without closing first. So this one I have to pull it out first. No. Let me just go. Okay, guys, we got a larger one now, so I can now easily scroll as well. Yeah, it should be fine now. So just twist it. It's gonna hurt again. Okay, so now we should be able to lift this up. So what we want to do is hold the two sides. Lift it up. And then here it should be loosened. Yeah, easily lift up. So that's what your wireless card looks like. Don't forget there is also one cable plugged to the motherboard, which is there. It's for this motherboard is on the left of the USB 3 cable. So this large one is USB 3, and this small one is for the wireless card. So just lift it. Just lift it up. Careful, don't break it. Yeah. So that's what your wireless card should look like. So when plugging in, the first thing you have to find is this slot, as you can see here. So there's one left one is blocked and the other four is open. So you just find the some slots in the place. So which one? Choose this one here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. At this side, there's one that doesn't have. So we can fit all ones inside there. So just put this inside. Jeez. This conceal. Perfect. Okay, so now we can go, and the wireless card slots is these small ones. So we just plug in these small ones. Yep. Make sure it's holding its position. The left side. And then what you want to do is press this down. So you can see there's plug. You have just use your 2 hands. This is. Oh, let's make this first. Okay, so when it's done, so what you want to say, you want to line up those strategy like this, and you just take your scroll and scroll back to lock the position of the wireless card. Here is the last thing you have to do before you can use your wireless card. So every wireless card comes with something like this. So it's a signal. It's an antenna for your wireless card. So you can see here is two of those, and what you have to do is just scroll on, so the wireless card can connect to the antenna to receive the signal. It doesn't matter the order, you just have to connect them on. And after you scroll them on, congratulations, your Wi-Fi, your computer now have automated Wi-Fi access. It's a little dirt on the computer. Clean it afterwards. So the last thing we're gonna look at is a power supply. As you can see, there's those cables for the power supply if you buy in those types. So you can put those cables through the back straight, through this house, and then to the front of the motherboard. And then you just plug into the motherboard normally. If some cable you don't it's not necessarily used, or you don't have like a hard drive, like SATA hard drive, or some RGB stuff, you can just put those wrist not using table below the case. So the thing is that there is 4 screws that locks the power supply. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I lost some screws, so I now only have 2 screws for those power supply. But what you can do is when you plug in the power supply, let me just scroll off first. This screw is to lock the position of the power supply. As you can see, it's movable. You can even push it. So yeah, otherwise it's gonna hit the front plate, hit the back plate. No. So as you can see, it can be taken out now. The power supply. So what you want to do is, let me show you how it looks like. So that's what you normally power supply would look like. So this one is 550 watts. And you can see there's 13 inside. One type I didn't clean it. So you just want to put your power supply in the slots. Normally it's in the bottom of the case. So you can see there's holes like this. You won't line them together. But in my case, I only have 2 screws. I will do this one and this one, which is diagonally. So you just screw those back. Yeah. So the thing is that when you scroll, it's gonna push in the power supply back. So what you want to do is you want to hold the side, one hand hold the side of the power supply like this, and the other hand keep scrolling. Yeah, so that would lock the position of the power supply. Okay guys, that's it. You have finished everything you need to know in order to build a PC. So in this tutorial, I shared with you what product to buy and how to build PC from step to steps. So now you have got all those skills and capable of build a PC of your own. And yeah, thanks for watching this video and watch this series throughout. If you haven't watched other videos before this last video, you can go back to video 1, 2, 3 and watch those videos. So yeah, thank you guys again, and if you like to watch more videos, you can go to my channel and there's more videos like this, and you can please click the subscribe button and click the like button so I can make more videos.